Okay, when you're making Horehound Toffee, you really want it to come out as hard crack. And so the thermometer tells you when it reaches hard crack. But when you pour it, occasionally you'll get a patch which is fudgy. So this is, listen to the sound. That's hard crack toffee. And what's good about it is that it dissolves very slowly, so you can pop it under your tongue and it will last for ages in your mouth and just melt down your throat, which is exactly what you want. Whereas sometimes you get a patch which is all crumbly and fudgy, and although my husband loves it, and some people do, it dissolves quite quickly in the mouth, so it's not ideal. But today I've managed to get this one corner of the toffee block which has gone fudgy. So I'll keep that separate because some customers do enjoy it. But the main toffee is here. So every section needs to be broken apart and then they get weighed up into their packets. Horehound was brought to Australia by the Germans as a medicinal plant to help with emphysema and coughs and colds, any respiratory issues. So it's very good at soothing the throat and easing coughing. It's also good for nausea. You just want to put it under your tongue and let it melt down your throat. You don't want to chew it because this Horehound has also got beeswax in it. And the beeswax, again, is soothing, but it will stick to your teeth, so a little bit of caution there. In terms of shelf life, if you keep this in the fridge, it'll last indefinitely for years and years. It won't go off. But if you leave it on the countertop, then at room temperature, gradually over a week or two, the honey will start to melt, especially if it's warm in your room.